Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron of Memmier Papyrus. In this week's tip, I want to show you just an easy way to make a bow or a flat knot. Let's get started. This week I wanted to give you a few little tips on tying ribbon around your card project. So, I will show you how to use the bow maker here. Not everybody has one. If you want one, I have several that I could send you or sell to you. So we're just going to make this small little bow, and it works every time, and it gives you the perfect bow, same size, no matter what type of ribbon. And you can adjust the sizes on the bow maker. So I've shown you that before. What I did want to show you is how to place it on your card. So I'm going to place just the ribbon on here, because a lot of people have trouble making bows. So I cheat. I just place my ribbon on the card with my snail. And then I use a glue dot and just apply the bow on the ribbon. So nobody will know you didn't tie that bow. So there's one tip. If you don't want to do a bow, you can also do a flat knot. So we'll do this again. We'll cut the ribbon, adhere it to the back, then we'll cut another little strip of ribbon. And to make a flat bow, you'll just position it, run it under. And the tip here to make it flat is to only pull on the left side. If you pull both, you'll get a different looking bow or not. But if you only pull the left side, look, you've got it flat right on where you positioned it. So there you go, and it works every time. Just pull on the left side. So here are two ways to finish off a project with a nice looking bow or knot. This is a short little tip. I hope it helps you with your card making, and I want to thank you for being here. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time.